you want to build a live chat on your Google Sites like this? Then watch this video till the end to know how. Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to enable visitors chat system on Google Sites. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So here we are on our Google Sites homepage. So we can just choose one of these templates for us. Let me choose one of this which we have already worked on or whatever it can be. And now let's say that I want to add some chatbot to this. So let's go to let's use something called as crisp chat. So we just need to open this, search for the crisp chat, and after we search it, like you can just go for it. So this will be helping your customer experience a human touch. We can use it for free. So this is the best part about this. Let's click on use Crisp for free. And we need to enter some of the details like first name, last name, email address and other things. Let me just quickly do that. After we do that, we need to enter the company name. So let me just enter it to be PC Tips Pro. And when it comes to the company website, so we can just go here and we can just choose this website, copy it and paste it over here. Okay, so I have just published it so that I could get this URL, copying this, and now we'll paste it here. Let's wait for some time so that it process, and it is showing up the sites.google.com. And once we get it, here we have this website icon. So for the demonstration purpose, let me just keep it to be this Google logo only. You can change it to your business logo, whatever it is. And the chat box color, let's say that I want my chat box to be in purple color or any other color which you feel that suits your website. For now, I just go with the purple color. Click on the continue, and here we have this code. So we just need to copy this. Go back to our Google Sites and click on embed code. Paste this code. Click on next and click on insert. So we have this element over here. Let me just drag and drop it somewhere at the end of my website so that when the person scrolls down they could find this option. So here I have this, I want it to be here. So in this way I can change it. Once this is done loading with, I can click on publish to check how it's looking. Okay, got it. So this shows me the draft and the currently published. So click on publish. Now let me reload my page on Google Sites, and let me scroll down a bit. Okay, let me reload it. Once I scroll down, I can just find this option called as messaging option, and this asks me how can we help with the PC Tips Pro. So this is my business name that I have given. Let me say hi to this, and it asks me my email address, so that like if you are off and this chatbot can, this live chat can take the email address of the visitor who is visiting your site and seeking for some information or some help. So it just collects the email address, and you can just get the email address, and you can get back to them once you are free or once you are back with your business hours. So that would be helpful for you. In this way you can add this live chat, and you can just customize many things over here for you on the crisp. And in this way you can add your live chat option to the Google Sites completely for free. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.